That's how you need to look after doing your makeup. I'm just kidding. What's up, my babies? Welcome back. So we're gonna just go ahead and dive into this video, grabbing the Black Girl Sunscreen SPF 30. How come nobody told me about this sunscreen? I have been sleeping under a rock because this has been my obsession lately. Does not leave my skin with a white cast. I am obsessed. This is actually my second purchase. Love this stuff. And do y'all see how it leaves me with a nice glow? Y'all already know how it is on this channel with the glow, with the hydration. We love that. So this sunscreen has been my #1 so far. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this Badescu facial spray with aloe and herbs and rosewater. This is just going to really hydrate my skin and also lock in my skincare routine. I am a firm believer that if you take care of your skin, your makeup application will just look beautiful. So jumping into primers, I am going to go ahead and take 2 primers in today's video, and I am grabbing the OLEHENRIKSEN Banana Brightening Face Primer, and I'm also going to go ahead and grab the Makeup Forever Step 1 Prime Shine Control Primer. Now, I am grabbing the OLEHENRIKSEN all over because I love a beautiful glow. Y'all already know. A nice glowy base is what I go for. Love this primer because it does take care of dullness and uneven texture, also fine lines. So I'm also going to grab the Makeup Forever Step 1 Primer Shine Control. Now, I do not care for mattifying primers, and this is a mattifying primer. But girl, in the summer, I want to mattify the areas where I usually shine and look like I'm sweating, okay? In the summer, sis, we want your makeup to last all day or at least a good amount of hours. So that mattifying primer will take care of that. It's just going to absorb any oils, control shine, and also deliver a blur velvet skin texture, which we love that. So this is optional. Applying 2 primers is not a must. So I wanted to share with you guys where I applied the mattifying primer and then also the OLEHENRIKSEN. You guys can see the glow. That's the Ula, and then in the middle, that is where the mattifying primer is. Now, I could have just applied the OLEHENRIKSEN around and then left in the middle the Makeup Forever, but I went ahead and just applied the Ula first. This is just optional, okay? So I'm grabbing the Laura Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm just dabbing this product to the point where I need to observe more shine. My beauty blender is damped, and I'm grabbing the perfect amount of products. Not too much and not too little, you know what I'm saying? And this is mainly focused on the part where I did apply that mattifying primer. And y'all gotta keep in mind, I am dry skin, and we don't want to apply too much because that's going to also clog up my pores, and we don't want that. Alright, so skin is prepped, it looks good. Now I'm jumping into foundation. I have here the NARS Light Reflecting Advanced Skincare Foundation. Love this stuff. It is so beautiful on the skin. If you're looking for a foundation that is full coverage and still leaves you with the most naturalist, realistic, wearable like base, this is the foundation for you. And just to top it all off, this girl is on sale for $46.55. So usually it retails around $49. Right now it's $46.55. Girl, snag it while you can because this is a must in your makeup collection. So I am gonna go ahead and highlight, grabbing this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Longwear Concealer. Such a beautiful, beautiful concealer. It's so creamy, very buttery, and it blends really nicely, yet it does have a beautiful coverage that is not too cakey, which we love that, especially for the summer. I don't love to wear like heavy makeup, you know what I'm saying? If I'm gonna do a full glam, I need it to look wearable and still light, but still covers my problem areas that needs to be covered. You feel me? So I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight all the points I usually highlight. You guys should know this by now. The forehead, bridge of the nose, the chin, and I also highlight a little bit underneath where I apply my contour so I can have that placement look really sharp. So blending it again with my damped beauty blender. I know somebody asked me a long time ago, do I damp it again? And I don't damp my beauty blenders twice. I just damp it once, grab a paper towel, squeeze the excess water, and then I just go ahead and use it throughout my whole entire makeup application, and I'm good to go. Okay, you guys, I just remembered this. Do you all remember when I used to say blend until your arm falls off? Hey! Girl, if you have been an OG on my channel and you remember blend until your arms fall off, I need you to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section, because that's how I know you guys have been following me for such a long time. I know I have, I have my makeup videos come in and off on my channel, but I want to bring them back for good It's just going to take me a minute because I do it all on my own. So as soon as I get me a team that's going to help behind scenes, we will be back with the makeup tutorials. So I am grabbing this Dibs Beauty Desert Island Duo. Now this is a blush and a bronzer stick. You guys, when I tell y'all this has been my everyday bronzer stick, I am obsessed with this stuff. First of all, Dibs Beauty is new to me. I did go to a beauty event that they hosted here in Indianapolis. Thank you, Courtney, for coming through to Indianapolis, girl, because we need more beauty events. Now, they were here for 2 days, so they were able to meet me and show me their products, and I was able to test their products out, and I have to say they have some amazing, amazing products. But the one thing I have to say that Dibs Beauty need to work on is their shade range. That is one thing that they need to work on. But once they do that, their formula and everything else on their website is pretty good for the most part. So y'all see that snatch contour? That is what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly set with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. This is pretty much one of, hands down, best setting powder out there. I've tried the Huda is good. I've tried Mented. Woo, Mented is really good. There's so much that I've tried, but it looks like I always grab this one. I think it's because it's just one of those products that's always there and ready to be used. And I mean, let's be honest, this product is pretty good for the most part. Like, I mean, we've tried other products, but I have realized this one just doesn't give me no flashback when I take a picture. It is just flawless. So I'm gonna go ahead and set where I bronze, grabbing the Juvia's Place bronzer in the shade Tan. I will have to mention this in today's video. This one has been my everyday bronzer. I realized that. So this is my everyday makeup routine. So I did want to share with you guys all the products that I normally use for an everyday summer, and this one is on the team right now. So I'm gonna also use the bronzer to apply this all over my eyelid. Is the fact that I'm adding a nice tone on my eyelid, but not too much that, you know, I have to do a wing liner or anything like that, because I realize I just usually apply this on my eyelid and I don't even have to apply mascara, and it looks very natural, like so stunning, you guys. I'm obsessed. But anyways, y'all, it is currently 11:39 right now, and I'm doing this voiceover. Who am I? I feel like an old lady doing this right now because I'm so tired. I don't know. I remember back in the day when I started my channel, I used to stay up until 5 a.m. and I would, you know, do voiceovers and just kill it, and I post the video the next day. And honestly, it was the dedication, the consistency for me, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna have to bring that back to my channel because I feel like I have not been consistent, and it's not okay. It's not okay. I'm not happy with it, you know what I'm saying? It's just me doing all of this on my own. It gets just too much after a while, and you just need a team to kind of, you know, take some weight off your shoulder. You feel me? So bear with me, you guys, because I would love to be consistent on here. It's just like I'm just overwhelmed. It's just a lot going on all at the same time, okay? So I'm going to stop ranting about that part, and we're going to jump back into this makeup tutorial, grabbing two products that I've been obsessed with, the Rare Beauty blush. I'm going to have the exact shades, and the liquid illuminizer, and we're going to mix those two babies because I love this combination. Blush and liquid highlighter mixed together to just bring that natural glow. This is sun-kissed summer glow that everyone needs. This is how you need to be applying your blush and highlight from now on. Like, once I tried this hack, I was like, oh yeah, we're gonna do this again. This is what we're gonna be doing, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face Waterproof Setting Spray. This stuff smells terrible. It actually smells like hairspray, but it's so good because, girl, when I tell you it locks your makeup in place, especially right now for the summer, your makeup is not going anywhere. It's not moving, but the smell is terrible. I'm surprised that they haven't like took this product off market and just kind of revamp it a little bit because the smell is just not good at all. So I usually use this in the summer when I need my makeup not to move. Jumping into lips, I am grabbing this Makeup by Mario Sculpting Lip Pencil in, I think, Jill or Gip. I don't know which one it is, girl. Check the description box. Outlining my lips, and then I'm grabbing this new lip product that I am wows about right now. It is just a beautiful pinkish nude. Again, check the description box because I don't have the product on me. I am just looking at the video to do this voiceover, but do y'all see how plump? Oh, it is just such a beautiful combination, and this completes today's makeup look. When I tell y'all this is my go-to summer, my makeup is lasting all day, and obviously we have to grab a glow. I'm grabbing this glow stick from Dibs Beauty. This is another product that I'm obsessed with right now. It is so beautiful. Oh, stunning. We love to glow all season long, but in the summer it hits different, okay? Sasa, tumemaliza makeup tutorial. We look good. We feel good. Yeah, that stick is a wowza. Yes, mommy. Slay for us. Yes, queen. That's how you need to look after doing your makeup. I'm just kidding, y'all. I love y'all so much. And I will see you guys in another video. As always, don't forget to leave me a nice little comment down below. Let me know what is your favorite go-to summer product right now. I want to know. And also, don't forget to check out another video and catch up to that one as well. All right, bye.